Hey all dear students, yesterday on 12th February 2023, you have given your GATE exam either in forenoon shift or afternoon shift, and I hope that you are very curious about whatever the marks or performance you have performed yesterday, what rank you can expect, and from that rank what are the options available. Okay, we have nothing to do with rank, guys. We have to do what are the options available. So this session is for all those students who have given the GATE exam yesterday and want to check that what the rank they can expect and what options, either it is NIT Mtech, IIT Mtech or PSU, are available for them. Okay, and for all those aspirants who are giving the GATE examination in upcoming years, they might be knowing a rough idea that for a moderate or easy to moderate level question paper like yesterday, what you can expect. Guys, in this particular session, I will also be telling you about the normalization effect, which subjects are harder or tougher in which set. Okay, so I hope that you all are super excited for this. Guys, see, when I was in my childhood days or in my 12th class or in my BTech, then many of my friends are having a mentality that, okay, let us see on the result now, why to do all these analysis. Although my mindset was always different from the school also. When I have given the IIEEE, that time it was not IIT mains or advanced exam for NITs. For NITs there is a different exam, IIEEE, and for IITs there is a different exam, IIT JEE. I used to calculate my marks in GATE also, in IIEEE also, in IIT JEE also on the same day. Okay, but if you are not willing, it's perfectly fine. The only benefit is that you can plan your next 6 to 7 months 1 month before, because the result will be coming on 15th March. Okay, so today is 13th of February. So 1 month before you might be knowing the range, not the exact rank, but you might be knowing the range, so you can plan your next 5 to 6 months in a better way. Okay, this is the only motive of such kind of sessions. Okay, guys, please like the session if you have not liked and subscribe to the channel. Now, this is about me. My name is Abhinav Sir, having 11 plus years of teaching experience, done my Mtech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in 2012. Okay, guys, this session is only for civil students. Either they are 2023 aspirants or 2024-25, so they will be knowing an idea. Okay, so guys, first of all, please let me know in the comment section, how was your exam if you are given this. If you are given this, how was your exam? Everybody on the comment section, please let me know. Everyone. Okay. Let's move further. Everyone, please see here. Guys, what are the frequently asked questions or doubts in your mind? Okay, what are the doubts in your mind? Let me tell you that after the exam and before the result, what are the general doubt the students are having? Let me tell you what will be the normalization effect. Okay, this year only civil is the branch which is in both shifts. Okay, so what will be the normalization effect? Another is expected rank. Should we give one more attempt? Many students are like, they are knowing that they will have not performed that much well that they will be getting IITs or PSU. So their dilemma, should they give one more attempt? Answer is yes and no both. For some cases it is yes, for some cases it is no. So I'll discuss both the cases. Guys, I am not that kind of a mentor, that kind of a guide, that kind of a teacher that if I am a GATE teacher, I will recommend you, nahi, ho jayega, mehnat karo, ho jayega, aisa. No. Guys, should we give one more attempt or not? That depends. There are certain cases, there are certain categories, there are certain situations which I recommend that don't prepare, yaar. Leave this field, go in another field. And there are certain cases who can prepare even after taking a drop also. I'll discuss both the cases. Okay, opportunities without guess. So okay, I will take detailed session on this later on, but let me tell you about all these things. Okay, cutoff for IITs, new IITs, everything I'll be taking. Okay, so my friend, okay, toughest of till now, not at all Ankit. If you are saying toughest of it all, I guess that your source of preparation was very easy. This exam is not the toughest of it all. First of all, let me tell you the key highlights of shift 1. Both the paper was easy to moderate. Okay, I will say if I define three categories, easy, moderate and tough, then the paper is something here. The paper is something here. I'll distinguish. Still, I'm defining them in a single word, but I'll distinguish these two words. Okay, MSQ in the shift 1 are 9, NAT were 22 and MCQ were 34. In second shift, let me tell you guys, we got 90% of the questions of shift 1. Shift 2, still, we are not very sure, but roughly I can say this shift 1 I'm saying with confidence, 100% confidence. Okay, here I'm saying 100% confidence, here I'm showing with 90 to 80% surety, because still we are dilemma with 1 or 2 questions. Now, moving further, 0 marks not in fluid mechanics. One question was there, but that was from, you can say, hydraulic machine. Okay, that part. Okay, which is generally not asked or not in the syllabus. Okay, so CPM, PERT CPM, railway, airport is not a single question is asked in shift 1 and shift 2. PERT CPM, railway, airport, not a single question is asked. Should 2024 students not prepare it? No. Should in 2024 FM is guaranteeing that it will be again very less? No. No guys, unless a particular subject is coming very less for continuous 3 years or 4 years, we cannot say that. And last year the weightage of FM was very nice, 5 to 6 marks excluding OCF. Including OCF it was 8 to 10. So unless the FM is coming of one question only for next 3 years, we can't say this. This is only single year. Even in 2024 FM will be less, again for 2025 we cannot say that. Okay. Now I am moving further. Okay, Ankit Kumar. Now I am moving further. If I say about since shift 2, I am again saying shift 1, I am saying with 100% confidence these details, but shift 2, I am 90% sure. Now, if I tell you about the weightage of each subjects, this is mathematics was 13, Som was 7. Okay, now there are a couple of questions which you can say in engineering mechanics also, in Som also, like a T-beam. T-beam moment of inertia is asked. You can say it's Som also, engineering mechanics also. Okay, engineering mechanics one question, geotechnical was the highest as always, as expected, 16. Okay, structural analysis was 5 marks, little 1-2 marks higher than the average. Survey was as expected, building material as expected. PERT CPM 0 is also expected. PERT CPM, railway, airport, either it will be of 0 marks or 1 marks or at most 2 marks. Okay, so this is also expected. This is not a strange is fluid mechanics. Now, for steel structure 3 marks as expected, irrigation 2 marks as expected, highway engineering 6 marks as expected, open channel flow 5. I can say that 1 or 2 marks it is higher than the average. Average is 3 marks. Environmental engineering 11 marks. Yes, usually it is around 12 to 13 marks. 11 marks is fine. Fluid mechanics is the strange one here. Okay, and design of concrete 4 marks expected, railway 0 marks is again expected. This is not a strange. Aptitude 15 marks is a constant here. So this is for shift 1. As I am already saying that shift 1 is we are having most of the questions and 100% I am saying. So shift 2 as more around same, not exact distribution we are having till now, but shift 2 was almost same. Okay guys, please put a heart sign on the comment box. Everyone guys, whatever the paper was there, it's okay, we have to move forward. Okay, I always tell that aspirant is a baller. You just need a single ball to take or to beat the luck. Okay, just one exam to make your career, aspirant. Okay, and if the luck has to beat you, if the luck has to stop you from achieving your career, it has to play like a batsman. For batsman making 100, he has to survive in every ball and also making runs. Okay, so luck has to be a batsman, continuously beating you, continuously beating you, continuously beating you. But you are a bowler, just need one single ball to get the wicket. Okay, so this is the situation, and apart from FM, everything is expected. Apart from fluid mechanics, everything is expected. Okay, उसके लिए मैं बताऊंगा प्रणव, see whatever the marks and rank I am telling you, this is of course applicable for third year students also. Na? Third year students can see that what marks, what rank they can expect and what are the opportunities. Not only marks and rank, but I'll tell you about the options also. Now in 2019, 20, 21, 22, the cutoff is around this, out of 100 marks. But let me tell you, all the students, especially the third year or second year students, that cutoff is never a thing that student is very excited to know. Okay, cutoff is not thing that student is very excited. No, cutoff will be, I guess it will be 32, approximately 32 or 33 this year. This is around 29, this is around 21 marks or 22 marks. Cutoff is not that kind of thing that student is very curious, because getting the cutoff will not never giving you a IIT degree or a PSU admission or a Mtech admission in good IITs and NITs. So cutoff is not very much, it is always around 28 to 34 marks for general category and like this. Okay, the student needs the cutoff for IITs, cutoff for PSUs, that thing. Now the rank one, if I see, it is around these marks in last few years. But again, see, from 50 marks to 52 marks, there will be 5,000 students. But from 96 to 94 marks might be only one student. From 90 to 88 might be only two students. So the gap between the different students on rank 1, rank 10, rank 20, 40 is huge. Okay, might be in 2 marks gap, you are finding only one student or two students when you are in 88 marks or 90 marks or 92 marks range. But when you are in 30 or 32 marks, might be in 2 marks, there are 10,000 students. Okay, so again the rank 1 is, see, might be here, the rank 2 is of 94 marks. Might be this person doesn't got this, so rank 1 goes to 94. If in 2022 rank 2 holder is having 94 marks, if he has not performed that much well, this student, then rank 1 will be 94, lowest of this also. Okay, so now this is not the expected, like guys, this is the real. This is the real result of 2021. Why I have performed 2021? Because 2021 is very resembling with 2023 GATE exam. Okay, so this is the real, this is expected, I am telling you. Expected, I am telling you, normalization effect also I am telling you, and comparing the both shifts also. I have performed a survey in my Telegram. Group, and let me tell you, out of various 100 votes I got, 57% students are saying that afternoon shift was more difficult. 24% students are saying that forenoon shift is more difficult. Okay, let me elaborate. I'll elaborate all those things. Okay, because once I'm taking a session, once I'm performing some data, guys, a huge homework is done behind the scenes to make this data realistic way. Because if I'm presenting anything, I know after 15th March everything will be disclosed. Okay, so I have to be very precise in prediction. In prediction data, I have to take more homework. Okay, now afternoon paper is very bad. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, Ankit Kumar. Ankit Kumar, I was taking various shit of you from last 5 minutes. Okay, need not require here now. Okay, now moving forward, guys, here this is the exact of 2021. Now let me tell you the expected. This is the real slide for 2023 students. Expected. This is now I have taken after many research. Now last year also I have taken the same session. In last year I have taken shift 1, shift 2 marks and rank. Okay, this last year. Why I have not taken this year in this way? Because this year, last year the paper 2 was clear cut tough. Last year the afternoon session was clear cut tough. But this year, guys, the difference in the two level is, the two papers is not much. The difference in the two paper is not much. Let me tell you, if I talk about SOM, survey, then I can say that paper 1 is tougher. Even in soil mechanics, I can say paper 1 is a bit tougher because of couple of questions. But if you take other subjects like OCF, like structural analysis, then paper 2 was little tougher. So overall, if I take about all 12 to 13 subjects, I have discussed with all the faculties of BYJU'S, then half of the subjects paper 1 was easy, half of the subjects paper 2 was easy. And let me tell you, I have with so many research, what I found, that if I tell you the difficulty level of paper 2, then standard deviation was high. That means in paper 2, few questions were very easy, like SSD was asked. Okay, SSD was asked. Okay, let me tell you guys, I'm telling you, done the whole homework. Now please let me tell you, in paper 2 na, what was the thing that either a few questions were very easy, like in mathematics also. Couple of questions were very easy. SSD was asked. What is SSD? Even the numerical was not asked. It is lag distance plus breaking distance. So home questions were very easy. Okay, the one formula was in SC is equal to WG. All these values are known. You have to find E. So in shift 2 now, what is happening? Either the question is very easy, or it is on a tougher side. Okay, but here all questions were almost of same level. There is no question which is very hard, but here a structure question which was asked in MSQ was very hard. Okay, so the basic difference is that overall both papers are same level. Only difference is either here is, this is the average line na, so either in shift 2 few questions were very high difficulty level and few questions were very easy, but here in, let me tell you in the graphical way what is happening now, that if this is the average level of paper 1 na, this is the average level of paper 1, then what is happening, that the question is little bit tough than average, or it is little bit less. But here in paper 2, what is happening, if this is the average level of paper 2 na, either few questions were very high like structure question, okay, or either the few questions were very easy. Okay, average of both is same, but average of both is same. I hope now you got the answer. Like in survey na, one question was asked here in paper 1, like pixel question. That question was not very tough, but usually that question was not practiced by the students. Here MSQ question of structural analysis was tough. Question was asked here in Mayor of question is not expected here. Okay, so little bit unexpected paper 2, but normalization effect will not be going to take much. That is why I have not taken different ranks or different marks of shift 1 and shift 2. But last year afternoon session was little tougher, clear cut tougher. That is why I have taken 2 different marks for a same rank in shift 1 and shift 2 last year, but this year almost same. And this is what we demand from IIT. The normalization should not be much, the difficulty level should not be much. One more thing I am telling you above all those things, that computer does not know which paper is tougher. Okay, there is a formula which is given in the GATE brochure, in which there are various inputs. One of the inputs is that top 0.1% students marks are checked. 1 lakh students have suppose given the examination. Okay, what is 1%? 1000. Okay, what is 0.1%? 100. So top 100 students marks are checked in shift 1 and shift 2, and whichever top 100 students of shift 1 is bigger, then that is taken as tougher. That session is taken as tougher. If top 0.1% of shift 2 has more marks, then that session is taken tougher. Okay, there are various other inputs apart from 0.1%, but let me tell you that this year normalization effect will not be going to be very hard, but little bit. Might be I'm wrong because the difference is not much. Might be I'm wrong, but little bit might be paper 2 afternoon session students get a little bit 0.5, 0.6 marks greater. Okay, might be their marks may increase a bit, but not much. And of course that increase in marks for shift 2 or decrease in marks for shift 1, if that happens, is also depends on range to range. Might be the students who are getting 80 marks, they are getting +1 for shift 2 and -1 for shift 1. Might be for in the 50 marks category, that is only +0.5 or -0.5. So that is also not same. Okay, now AN का मैंने बता दिया, आफ्टरनून का मैं फोरनून जितना ही था, आफ्टरनून का एग्जैक्ट डाटा नहीं है हमारे पास. So with 1 to 10 rank na, you will be getting in more than 89 marks or 88 marks roughly. Okay, this is for 1 to 10 rank. Okay, now 10 to 50 from 82 to 88 marks for both shifts, because the normalization effect is not much here. 50 to 100 rank will be in 79 to 82 marks. 100 to 200 rank will be in 76 to 79 ranks. And let me tell you that all those 3 marks, more 76 to 79, this will be very safe range for PSU. Why? Because let me tell you, in 2019, 2020, 2021, many of my students got 90 rank, 96 rank, 98 rank. They are not getting PSU because that time the PSU seats were very less in those 2-3 years. from 2022 onwards. In fact, GATE 2022 was done. PSU have come later on. When the student was writing 2022, they were not very confident that how many seats will be coming. After they write the exam for next 7 to 8 months, from February to October 2022, various PSUs come that we will be recruiting from 2022. We will be recruiting from 2022. Okay, and then they got to know that even in 250 rank, 260 rank, they will be getting PSU. And for 2023, it will be already more. Okay, if I compare with 2021, 2023 seats will be at least 2.5 times, and might be little more than 2022 also. Okay, so all these ranks are very sure with PSUs. Might be 76, 77 marks, still 50-50 dilemma, but more than 77 marks, guys, you will be getting a PSU. You will be getting a PSU more than 77 marks. Now 200 to 500 rank will be in 72, 76, 500 to 1000 will be in 67, 72 marks, and these students will be getting top IITs, old IITs, Mtech. Old IIT, Mtech, 100, this is 100% sure. Guys, this is 100%. Even here, few students will be getting old IIT, Mtech, not the best of the branch like structures and geotechs, but yes, they will be getting here also. Here, new IITs. In new IITs, in every IIT, it is not civil engineering. Guys, suppose there is a new IIT, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Ropad. So every new IIT is not having civil engineering, but yes, some of the new IITs like IIT Mandi is having civil engineering. Okay, so more than 77, 78 marks, you will be getting PSU, guys. From 67 to 76, 77, you will be getting IIT Mtech, old IIT Mtech. Even if you are in 70s, 73, 74, you might be getting structures or geotech or transportation in best of the IITs. 65, 67 marks, you will be getting IIT. Of course, you will be getting IIT in this range, 65, 67 marks with 1300, 1400 rank, but not the best of the branches. Okay, and 59, 60, 61, you will be getting 100% new IIT. Might be you will be getting old IITs also. After 2000 to 5000, and this more than 45 marks, not 100, but not I'm going to 40, but here you will be getting a NIT Mtech. Okay, higher marks, of course, the better chances of better NIT, and with your specialization. So this is the case for PSUs, old IITs plus new IITs, and IIT plus Mtech. Okay, the whole research is done, guys, from the whole team. We have taken various data to make you here. Guys, please put a heart sign on the comment box, guys, for all those students who have given the GATE examination. Okay, either they are getting 60, 70, 80, 90, whatever, but they have put an effort. And that effort will not be going to be wasted, because there are various exams in the upcoming future like BARC, okay, like ISRO, like state services, like states PSUs, okay, PSUs which take their own exam, state PSC. There are various other opportunities that are yet to come. So all those students who have genuinely prepared hard, let me tell you, even the GATE is not going up to your expectation, still lots of chances will be coming. Okay, now these are the PSUs in 2021. That is why only in 98 rank, 100 rank, 110 rank you are not getting PSUs. In 2022 this has already come, and 2023 this will come, and yet to come many. Okay, because of many of these things are coming in last 3-4 months in October. So here also this list is I'm putting up to 2023 October, November. There will be coming here. Okay. Okay, Anish Maurya. I have said that IIT Mandi is having civil. I have not said that IIT Ropad is not having civil. Anish Maurya, I have said that IIT Mandi is having civil. I didn't say that IIT Ropad is not having civil. Okay. So this is the case, guys. And if I take about cutoff for PSUs, it was around 150. Okay, even 150 is the cutoff. Might be the 146th rank has got a very good interview. That is why he is selected here in 2021. But there are various students who are getting 96 rank, 98 rank, have not got the PSU. Okay, so here I expect that all India rank 250, 300 will be the case. All India rank might be here 550 or 600, and this may go up to 950 or 1000. Okay, so this will be the case. NITI Bombay will be taking a different case, guys. Okay, so cutoff for IITs I have told here in that list also. Now let me tell you normalization effect. I said that this year it will not be much. Might be the afternoon session will get a +1 or +0.5 depending upon the marks. Expected rank I told you. Should we give one more? There are two cases. Now see, guys, if you put your 100% effort or 90% effort, studied from last 7 months, putting your 90% effort, and you are in 30 range or 35 range after making a lot of effort or 90% of your effort from last 7 months, after making 100% things or 90% things possible from last many months, still you are in 30-35 range, guys, this field is not for you. Might be some other better field is waiting for you. Okay, if just with your 50%, 40%, 60% effort only for 4 to 6 months, you are getting 45 marks or 50 marks, guys, you are a potential candidate for the top rank or double-digit rank in the upcoming GATE examination or any other examination. Okay, so I'm not that kind of a teacher who always tells the no, you can do it, no, you can do it. Guys, every student has some limitations. Okay, so if you are in the 90% range, that means that if you have put 90% effort from last many months, still you're getting 30-35 marks, this is not your field. Some better field is waiting for you. Even with half of effort, you're getting 45 marks. 60% effort, you're getting 45 marks. Yes, this you can take a drop. Now, next thing, opportunity without GATE, BARC, ISRO, there are various things that we are coming session on this channel only. So please subscribe. Okay, cutoff for IITs I have told you. Okay, so you can join me in my Telegram group for all those things, Civil by Abhinav Sir. There I have put a poll also that which session you find more difficult. Okay, 57% students have, or 59% as before this session has opted for that afternoon session they find difficult. Guys, tomorrow for all those students, this is a big opportunity. Free workshop, guys. Free workshop. Okay, mega work, how to ace GATE 2024 in the first attempt. I will be taking this at 7:30 p.m. I will be taking this at 7:30 p.m. on app. So please do watch this session. Register for this. Seats are limited, guys, for 2024 students. So from the new beginning, I'll be taking you the complete roadmap. Okay, rank predictor will be coming where you can put the rank and put the response key and get the result. And same like GATE analysis, we will be doing engineering service analysis on 19th Feb on this channel only. Okay, so these are the coming sessions. This will be tomorrow. Me and Krishna sir will be taking geotech and structures. Okay, then this was the again session environment and RCC, then irrigation, hydrology and transportation. Okay, this I'll be taking today 9:30 p.m. on app. Today 9:30 p.m. on app I'll be taking this session. Okay, so for ISRO also me and Dheeraj sir will be taking a session day after tomorrow. Okay, and this is the session me and Joshi sir will be taking, that if you're scoring low, then what are the upcoming opportunities, upcoming things for you. This will be tomorrow. This will be tomorrow. ISRO, me and Dheeraj sir will be taking soon. Okay, so you can find all these links in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay, थर्ड ईयर के लिए क्या टिप्स हैं? थर्ड ईयर के लिए ये टिप्स है दोस्तों कि यहाँ पे जो भी आपने देखा कि एफएम के मार्क्स कम थे या रेलवे रिपोर्ट के मार्क्स 0 थे, आपको ऐसा उनमें कम ध्यान देना है, रेलवे रिपोर्ट नहीं पढ़ना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है. क्योंकि देखो, आप अक्टूबर में पूछोगे रेलवे रिपोर्ट पढ़ना है, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल पढ़ना है, सपोज मैं मना कर दूंगा. लेकिन अभी से आपके पास इतना समय है कि आप पूरा सब्जेक्ट एक बार पढ़ के 2 बार रिवाइज करके 50 फुल लेंथ टेस्ट भी लगा सकते हो. तो थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए तो मेरा है कि पूरे के लिए जाओ या पूरे 100 मार्क्स के लिए जाओ. जब अक्टूबर नवंबर में आओगे तब मैं कहूंगा कि हाँ ये चीज छोड़ सकते हैं, पर अभी के लिए आप पूरा जा सकते हैं. वर्टिकल डेप्थ गेट का नाम है. वर्टिकल डेप्थ ऑफ सिलेबस पूछता है पूरी गहराई तक. बाकी एग्जाम में वास्टनेस और हॉरिजॉन्टल पूछेगा. यही मेरे लिए आपके लिए टिप है. थैंक यू गाइस. फॉर any other comment, you can join me in my Telegram, Civil by Abhinav Sir, and ask me your query there. Thank you everybody. Take care.